Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Subaru Impreza 2.5i. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Subaru has less than 126,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger.